Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2016 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. Today's vehicle for sale comes in a black exterior with a black interior. And we do have blind spot assist on this vehicle. Let's go ahead and come around to the back. We've got our CLA 250 and Mercedes-Benz badging. Trunk with new all-weather mats. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the driver's side next. We have memory seats for the driver's side here with power seat controls right here. Driver door controls. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. Mileage currently at 80,832. And with a push button ignition. So here is our Mercedes-Benz display, currently showing navigation, backup camera, and radio. And below that you've got controls to access those different functions, volume controls, heated seats, and climate control. You also have a command module here where you can also make adjustments on the display. Turn to select and then push down to actually make your selection. And the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now if you're interested in seeing photos or getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.